How to make YouTube thumbnail in Android smartphone. It's very easy. Today we'll talk about that. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So first of all, you have to download our application. So for that you have to go in Play Store and just wait for a moment and just search thumbnails maker. Okay, thumbnail maker for YouTube. Just wait for a moment, my internet is too much slow, that's why just thumbnail maker. Yeah, and you have to choose this one. Okay, this app is developed by Simply Entertaining and it have more than 4.7 rating. Okay, and more than 8,843 ratings, and you can see this one more than 100k plus downloads. So after installing this application you have to open. So I'm opening this one. So you have to open this one after installing your application, and there is 4 options available. One is create thumbnail, another is my designs, another is my thumbnails, and you can get the more option also from here, but it's okay for me, that's why sorry. So I'm clicking in the create thumbnail. Okay, and you can see there is lots of background available. One is nature, blur, black and white, abstract, watercolor, wood, dot. Oh my god, there is lots of backgrounds available. Or you can choose from a gallery also, and you can choose a color also, or you can make the gradient also. But I'm choosing nothing, but I'll choose one background from here, so I'm choosing this one. Okay, and now there is lots ratio available. You can choose as per your requirements. One is to one, another is 2:1, another is 2:3, another is 4:3. There is lots ratio available, but I'm choosing 2:1. Okay, so after this you can change the size also, but it's okay for me, that's why I'm clicking in the right. Okay, now you have to put text, stickers, effects. There is lots option available, and you can make the layer also from here. And from the text I am putting some text, so I am putting here how to make YouTube thumbnail from Android phone. Okay, and just tap it in the OK button. See, now you can resize this one also, and you can position this one in the center, right? And you can choose the font style also. See, there is lots fonts available. I think I need to choose this one. See, this one like this, and you can choose the color also from here. And you can choose the shadow also. You can choose the BG also from here, but I think but I don't like the BG. And you can make it 3D also. Okay, 3D rotation maybe. See, you can rotate this one in the 3D view also. Yeah, like this. Oh okay, this okay for me, and okay, this is okay for me. Now you can put the stickers also from here. You can put flower stickers, you can put the mountain stickers, but I think I need to put this one. Okay, and you can resize it from here. Yeah, like this. and just tap it And now you can put the effect also from here. See, you can put the effects like this. You can put the effects. Okay. And after this you can put images also from here. There is two options, but I don't want to put any images. And from the background you can choose the background again, but it's okay for me. And after this you have to tap in the done, and it's asking us design let's your rework image is final for sharing and posting, and just tap it in the images. Okay, it's telling us please wait. And okay, it's telling me that your thumbnail photo successfully saved as image in storage slash emulated slash 0 slash dcim slash thumbnail maker slash photo underscore 1547376570252.png. Okay, so after this you can share this image in your Facebook also. And I think this app is very nice to make YouTube thumbnails. Hoping you like this video, and if you want more this kind of video, please to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will meet with you in another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.